Hey guys, Happy New Year. My name is Christy. This is The Raw Deal, and this is January 1st, 2022. That's crazy to me. If you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you would have seen that I posted a 31-day smoothie challenge starting today. So the smoothie challenge is really simple. All it entails is one smoothie that you drink every single day, one smoothie recipe a week, and so it means one smoothie recipe every single week. So I'm gonna have 4 for you in January. This week is called Liquid Sunshine. So being that it's a new year, I wanted to give you a smoothie that really packs a punch, but is just so bright and fresh, and it just really helps you kickstart the day so well. And I will tell you that I just got done with a workout on my husband and I, so I am gonna add a little bit of protein smoothie into mine today. But it's very important that I let you know, if you would like to add frozen kale or some spinach into your smoothie, please go right ahead and do that. I prefer not to do that, but if you want to add that, that's totally cool. So I'm adding all fruit to mine because I just, first of all, love fruits. My relationship with food has changed over the past 4 or 5 years dramatically. And one reason for that is because of my love for fruits. And to me, you can't add enough. So if you like a little bit of extra pineapple, please add extra pineapple. If you like extra mango, add that. Do whatever you want to do to make your smoothie perfect how you like it. The ingredients that I have today are 2 cups of frozen mango. You can add fresh if you'd like to. I like the frozen because it gives an icy consistency to my smoothies, and I love that. 1 cup of pineapple, or if it's your favorite fruit like mine, it is mine. You can add a little more than a cup. And here we have a good handful of fresh mint leaves. This is the protein powder I was referring to. It's Garden of Life. It is chocolate and it is vegan, completely plant-based. Good stuff. And we're just gonna add water just to blend, so making sure that all of our ingredients gets blended in smoothly. Now I will ask, if you do want to add in a protein powder, do not add soy or whey or anything like that. Just please make sure that it's plant-based. That's very important. So as you see here, I've added 1 scoop of Garden of Life protein powder. And I'm going to go ahead and add my mango. Mango is, oh dear. Mango is very low in calories, high in carbs, high in sugar, but the good kind of sugar. Don't let the sugar content scare you away from eating fruits. Okay. We have 1 cup of fresh pineapple. Fresh pineapple is a great anti-inflammatory, and it's a superb post-workout ingredient. So I'm gonna add lots of pineapple. Okay. And we're going to end by adding this beautiful, beautiful mint. Okay, so as you see, this is simple. I have my blender, I have just my ingredients out. It's taken me just a couple of minutes, right? Very easy. So let me get my water here and let's blend it up. Guys, okay, hold on. So now I have my glass of liquid sunshine ready for me to enjoy. It's so freaking amazing, guys. Oh my gosh. It's amazing. So my husband's gonna drink the rest of this, but let me fill you in on something. If he's at work or if he's not home, guess who drinks the rest of it? It's very exciting. I'm so happy. It's so good. It's so good. Happy New Year. I will see you next week for smoothie recipe number 2. Cheers.